Name of me is OPPO Reno8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. You need to start by going into tab menu. Now look for one-handed mode icon and click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can change placement of it by clicking on this icon at the bottom right or left corner. If you wish to go back to the standard size screen, you can do that by clicking on this one at the top right or left one. But you can always click on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!